Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send messages in Locket Widget. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Locket Widget application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find the Locket Widget? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's dependent on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Locket Widget and follow through with the step-by-step processes involved in downloading or installing the application. Now, after downloading and installing the application, is going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Locket Widget. So now down here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to send messages in Locket Widget. So from the top right corner of this screen, you're going to see the message icon. So go ahead and click on the message icon, and now it's here. Now it takes you to the screen. It says add friends on Locket. So it means if you do not have friends on Locket, you will not be able to send messages, because really, who do you want to send a message to? So you need friends on Locket to start sending replies and reactions. So once I have already sent friend requests, so once my friend request has been added and I have friends, you're going to be right here in this window. So I can just click on any of the friend I want to send a message to and go ahead and start sending messages to them. But you can send a message to your friends using this window. So go ahead and forget the process. From this homepage, top right corner, go ahead and click on the message icon, choose any of the friend, click on that, and you're going to see the communication bar for you to send messages. So just go ahead and click send message. You can send pictures and videos, write text, whatever you want to do to just have a fun and exciting time in Locket Widget. Please go ahead and do that using this window. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.